Hi everyone, my name is Zareen Gulcharan and I am doing San Juan. I'm Puerto Rico. So here is a view of Puerto Rico and I am focused in on San Juan. So a little about San Juan. It is the capital of Puerto Rico and it's its largest city. It was founded in 1521 and it remained a Spanish colonial city until 1898. And as of 2020, San Juan's population is 323,279 occupants. Okay. So let's start. So we're going to go here first to Balneario del Escambrión, which is one of the nicest, most popular beaches in San Juan. So that's right here. It features a coral reef, and you can also go snorkeling and scuba diving here. Look at the blue water, so nice. Next, we are going to look at the Capitol Office Building, which is located on the islet of San Juan, and it's just outside the walls of Old San Juan. Oh, let's zoom in. Here it is. Right here. Get a better view of the landscape. This is the Capitol Office Building right here. Okay, now we're going to focus on the three forts built in San Juan. So Castillo de San Cristobal is a fortress in San Juan. It was built by the Spanish to protect against land-based attacks on the city, and it is the largest fortification built by the Spanish in the New World. So here that is. Next one is Castillo San Felipe del Mora. This lies in the most northwestern point of the islet of Old San Juan, and it was named in honor of King Philip of Spain. It was designed to guard the entrance to the San Juan Bay, which is right here, and defends the Spanish colonial port city of San Juan from enemies coming from the sea. So that's right there. Okay, and then the third fort is Fortin San Juan de la Cruz, which was actually built on a different part of the island, which is Isla de Cabras, which means Goat Island. And it's at the western end of the entrance to the San Juan Bay. So it is still in San Juan and part of San Juan. It has massive stone sand walls that date back to the 1630s. And the U.S. Navy actually bombarded the fort in 1898, but the fort has survived that and is now still part of the San Juan National Historic Site. Okay, next we're going to do Mule de Viejo of San Juan, which is the major port of San Juan. The port is composed of a total of 16 piers, and 8 are used for passenger ships, and 8 are used for cargo ships. So the two ports are next to each other. So this is the port of San Juan right here. And this is the San Juan cruise port terminal. So you can tell they're right directly next to each other. And look at that water. So beautiful blue. Okay. I'm going to skip over Ocean Park for now. We'll end with that. And then let me just here. Okay, so now we're going to look at the Viejo San Juan, which is Old San Juan, which is right here, and that is home to the San Juan National Historical Site, and it is known for their colored houses and the cobblestone streets. Let's zoom in there. And they're also known for their Caribbean fusion restaurants. So this is Old San Juan over here. Okay, and last but not least, I just wanted to touch upon an important part of so Ocean Park is one of the most upscale neighborhoods, beachfront community in San Juan. And it was destroyed by Hurricane Maria. And Hurricane Maria was a Category 5 hurricane, and that occurred in September 2017. There was over 3,000 deaths, and the highest winds went up to 155 miles an hour. So as you can see, that this is supposed to be one of the most upscale neighborhoods in Puerto Rico, and it is used, as you can see, there's still almost 4 years later, there's still so much destruction that it caused. But Puerto Rico has been recovering, and for getting hit by a Category 5 hurricane, they have come back strong. So this is my city.